What's going on, guys? We're here at the auto show of 2018 Detroit. Right now we're standing in the space where Rally Kings is going to be moving in this Friday. We're right here in between Cadillac and Acura, right across from Honda and Mercedes. And this space looks way bigger now that there's carpet in here. We'll have the same carpet and backdrop. We will have 10 of our cars in here and should be a great time. We'll be here Friday all the way through the public show, and then we'll be leaving that next Sunday. Today I'm walking around with Matt, the photographer, MM Photo. Go follow him on Instagram. I'm going to be showing you some of my favorites today because it is really hard to film everything that's here. There's so much, so I will try to show you just my favorites and hopefully you see something you like. Eddie, would you get this over your current one?
Over my current one?
Yeah, would you get this over your current one? Like, would you prefer like the convertible top or not?
I don't think so. I think I like hard tops usually. I don't like soft top. And there are obviously there's a little bit more power,
I like
a little
this
bit
part.
more range. Yeah, it definitely looks cool, but I don't think it's enough for me to watch. Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
That's nice. It fits right behind you.
BMW 8. Really cool spec. Alright guys, I might have to get this to match my E46. It's super cool. So it looks like it might be Austin yellow, but it's not quite, and it's not Phoenix yellow, so I don't know, but I still like it. Sometimes the displays here are super cool and they're like $14 million for a lot of them, so it's definitely a super crazy looking display and I like it a lot. Same with a lot of the other ones here. Sitting in the Subaru BRZ, I like the wing they put on the back. The shifter feels great as always. I almost got one of these before the M3, but then I realized this car is so slow, and until they make it faster or give it the Subaru turbo engine, not worth it. Guys, that was the first Koenigsegg I've seen in person, and I wish I could afford one because it is a gorgeous car. We're gonna go over to Lexus now and see their race car over here and all their other stuff they got, and some Toyota, and keep on moving. This is what I really need for all those ski trips up north. Oh my god, this thing is so sick. We actually got some decent skis on this one. The Subarus all had some super old ones. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you saw something that you liked. If you did, comment below what your favorite car or vehicle was. There was a lot of cool stuff, and I tried to make it short and sweet so that I could have just the cooler stuff in the video. Otherwise, it's like 20 minutes long of just slow painting shots, and that's lame. So, anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. Make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe, and if you're coming to the auto show, check us out, Rally Kings. We will be there the 19th until the 28th, in between Cadillac and Acura, which will be a ton of fun. So come check us out. I'll see you guys next video.